and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Natty G, episode 2. We are going to be making Almond Poppyseed Muffins, and I am putting my cupcake liners in. I'm just going to do a whole batch. So you'll have 12, so 1 dozen muffins. Now that I have this, I'm going to turn the oven to 350. I'm going to first put in, you need 1 stick of butter. You're going to want it soft so that you can mix it up. Let's see if I need to put it in the microwave. Okay, so now we need 2/3 cup of sugar. So now I'm going to try to mix that together. So now that we have our sugar, we need 2 eggs. Try not to get shells because, funny story, I was making some muffins one time, and after they were baked, there was an eggshell on the top of them. So try not to get any eggshells in them. Okay. So now we need a cup and 1/3 cup of flour. I got a good knife, and I'm going to use the back and put little lines in the flour. And then with that, swipe it. Okay, and I'm going to mix that up. Don't put it on a high speed, just mix it up on a lower speed. So I'm going to get 1 more. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside. Okay. Okay, so I put the lid on that. And then I'm going to slowly mix in all this flour. Okay, so now I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so I put that in. Let's mix this up. Okay, so it might seem a little dry now, but you're going to put sour cream in it, so that'll make it not so dry. Okay, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So you have baking soda and baking powder both in it. So now we need 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, because these are poppy seed muffins. And what would make them a poppy seed muffin if we didn't have any poppy seeds? Here's 1, and here is 2. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to mix this all up. So now I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we need 1 teaspoon of almond extract. We're going to do, let's see, a 1/2 cup sour cream. Okay, so it may seem weird that you're putting sour cream, but it makes it moist. There we go. Okay, so now we mix that up. Okay, so I'm going to put all of my things away. Okay, so I cleaned up my workspace. Now I'm going to try a little bit of this. Okay. That's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna put 1 scoop and even these out into my centers. My oven is now preheated, so I'm gonna put these in for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so it's going, so I'm gonna wash my dishes while it's baking. Okay, so I shut off my timer. Now let's check. Okay, let's pull these out. So I'm gonna check and see if these are done. I don't think they're done, so let's put these back in just for a little longer. There we go. We'll probably let them do for like 2 more minutes. Okay, let's check if these are done. Yep. Now that they're out, I'm gonna let them cool for 5 minutes, and then I'll take them out and put them on a cooling rack. The reason I put these back in the oven is because when I touched one, they didn't bounce back at me. So that told me that they aren't done. So now they bounce back at me. So now that I can touch them, I'm going to put them all on the cooling rack. So I can't wait to tell my dad when he comes in, because these are one of his most favorite muffins. So I can't wait for him to try one. So thanks guys for joining In the Kitchen with Natty G episode 2. If you have any questions, remember to subscribe, and hope I can hear some things you'd like for me to bake. Thanks.